Hey guys, we're preparing to cook some dinner chicken curry. So I have the ingredients here.
Welcome to Azalexis channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you'll always be updated.
Hello guys, good evening. I am preparing for dinner. I have this boiled chicken earlier. Uh, it's already made, and I have some sliced potato. This chicken breast are very tender. It's well cooked. And I have some onion, garlic, and mixed it with sili espada. Yes, and now I'm gonna slice this chicken breast. They're very tender already. It's already cooked. Just that when I cook this again, I will mix it with the potato, at the same time. Just put it in the slow heat so that it doesn't overcook. So see you later on. I'll get back to you guys.
Now I'm dropping the chicken. The skillet is pretty hot. And next, we're gonna do the onion, garlic, and sili espada. So this is like a chicken curry, but it's in a different twist. Okay, I'm stirring it right now. Now I'm dropping the onion, garlic, and sili espada. This is a white onion that I'm using. I like white onion. And I'm mixing it right now, stirring it. Now I'm putting, what is this, potato. A little bit tomato sauce. It's a little drop, not a lot. Just to add color to it. Just to add color to the food. Now we're having a paprika. I just dash a little bit of paprika. It's looking good already, huh? It's gonna be yummy. Now I'm gonna add this cumin. Oh no, excuse me, turmeric. Turmeric is pretty good. It's good for your body. It's good as a tea, and everything. It's always good. And I'm adding coconut milk. This is a coconut milk, guys. I'm using coconut milk, the powder one, not the fresh one. It's really hard to do, to squeeze it. I don't want it touching by my hand, I don't want to connect my hand to the food, so I am using the powdered coconut milk, and I just put some water in it and mix it, and then there you get coconut milk. It's a coconut powder milk, okay? That's how you say it. And then also I add a little bit of a cornstarch in it, mixed with the coconut milk, so make it to thicken the sauce. So